Hello everyone, my name is Nusaiba Zaman Muntaha. I am a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning and also reading in Radiant School in Khalij. I am 12 years old, I'm in class 6. So today I am going to talk about the modern invention, computer and its facilities. So, computer is a modern invention. It is invented through the help of modern science. It's also getting updated day by day. We can do many things with computer. It has many different types of facilities. It is invented to make our life more faster and more easier. So we can attend our online classes through Zoom in or through computer. We can send emails or messages to anyone who lives abroad or even lives in the country. We can send it through computer. It also has different types of parts of the computer. Some of them are output, motherboard, etc. We also use a mouse to type or do other things with the computer. So that's all about the computer. Thank you.